Good day, programmers. What's going on? Today we're going to be looking at working with files in Python. Okay, so in this tutorial we're going to learn how to open a file, how to write to a file, how to read from a file, how to append to a file. So let's get started. I'm actually excited. So we're going to create a new file on the folder, So I'm going to name this working with files. Okay. So I'm going to open up on this file and create a new text file. So that's the file we're going to be working with. So I'm going to just name this my text, or let's just say, where did that go? Okay, let's just name it as text. Rename text. Okay, so you basically see that. Now I'm going to create a new Python file, and I'm going to save it as say main. So we're going to save it as main.py, but we're not going to be saving it in the default Python directory. So I'm going to go to the desktop and working with files. So I want to save it in this folder. So once I click on save, you could basically see it appears here. And why did I do this? This basically allows Python to access this text without having to write or direct the paths to this text. So that's just basically what it helps us to do. So I'm going to go straight into this. So how do you open a file in Python? So I can say my file is equal to open. Now open, once you see I open this, you can see the arguments that this function accepts. So it accepts files and mode. As you can see, we have a little arrow here. So I'm going to explain what that means. So for now, let's just keep the file here. So the file is basically going to be what? text.txt. So once we run this application, you basically see nothing happens. This actually gets stored to this file. So yeah, and now there are different modes for opening a file. So once you open in a file, do you want to read to it, do you want to write to it, or do you want to append to it? Okay, so now we have W. Now the W is using for writing to a file. Now this, once you use the W mode, that's you come around here and you specify W. This is going to allow you write to a file, but the default in Python is R, which is the read mode. Okay, so that's the read mode. If you come here, if you just type open and you don't give any argument here, it's basically going to assume that you want to read from this file, and it's going to open it in the read mode. Okay, so the W is the write mode. Now if you open the file in the write mode and there was any content in it, it's going to basically delete all the content in that file. Okay, so we have another one, which is A. A is for the append mode. So if you don't want to delete all the content, or you want to rewrite all the content in a file, you basically use the A, that is the append mode, which you just add any text or any item you want at the end of the file. Okay, so before we start this, I'm opening this file in the read mode, my file. So we actually want some content in our file. So I'm going to open up on this text and I'm going to type this is the first line, this is the second line, this is the third line. You can basically type anything you want here, and finally this is the fourth line. Can we get that? Okay, Control S. So we've actually written some stuff to this file. Okay, so we've opened the file, it was successful. So how do we write everything in this file? So I'm just gonna give this, say contents is equal to my file dot read. Okay, so I'm gonna print out contents, so we'll see what is here. Contents. Okay, so if I run that, what do we get? Context. I said contents, so let's rename that to contents. Okay, so you could basically see the contents of our file. This is what's in our file right now. So we're actually reading from the file, and you can see this is the first line, second line, third line, fourth line. That's great. So we can actually just come and just loop over this. Okay, we can just do for I in my file, or we can say for line in my file, what are we going to do? We can just go ahead and print line. That's if you don't want to use the read mode. Maybe you stored a bunch of variables on each line, maybe a name and a password, which I advise beginners to start out with if they want to create a basic login system and actually save the names of the people who are about to log in with their password. So that would be a great place to start from. Just an idea for you. So if I run this, you basically see it prints each line that is in the file. So these are the bunch of ways which you can use for reading a file. Okay, so this is great. We've explored a little about the read. So let's try to open this in the write mode, and you basically see what will happen. Now once I open this in the write mode and I run this application, you basically see nothing happens. Okay, now if I go to this folder and I try to open this file, remember I had some contents in it. You can see this is basically wiped the file, so we have nothing in here. Okay, so let me just save that. Okay, it's basically used now, so let's just leave it that this way. Okay, so that's great. Remember the last time we ran the program, we basically just ran it that way. So there's one more thing to additionally know. Once you're done using the file, you should basically close it. Okay, so if we had done something like for I in my file, say print I, you want to have to close this file so it doesn't end up using all the resources you have. So my file.close. Okay, so this basically closes the file when you're done using it, so it doesn't keep on eating the resources of your program. So as you can see, for I in my file, not readable. Why is that? Okay, so we opened it in the write mode. So once we put it in the read mode, this is why the modes are actually useful. You can basically see that is done and the file is actually closed. So that's just something to note. So let's go dive a little deeper into the write mode or the rewrite mode, which is W. Okay, so once we open it in the write mode, all you have to do is to write to the file. So my file.write. So you can specify what you want. Remember, this rewrites everything in your folder or your file. So we want to write hi, I am a guy. Okay, that's basically what this does, and we don't forget to close it. So my file closes up the file. So if I run this, you would see nothing actually happens here. But once we go and open the file, I've closed it. So working with files, once you open this text, you can see hi, I am a guy. So that gets there. So basically that is it for the write mode. You can do write lines or so, I believe so. So what does the append mode do? So we open it in an append mode, and you could basically see, remember, if I open this file right now, we have some contents in it, which is hi, I am a guy. Okay, so what does the append mode do? Remember, the write mode just clears everything in our file and writes a content. The append mode actually adds the content to the end of the file. Okay, so this time around, I'm going to add hi, I am a girl. Okay, so if I run this time around, it's gonna get run, and let's close this and open the text file again. You can basically see hi, I am a girl. So you can see it's kind of joined up at the end. It didn't give a space. So let me do that for it. So basically, if you want to give a space for this, you have to come to the right and put a \n. Okay, this time around, let me write something different. Hi, we are people. Okay, so I would run this, and once we go to the file and we open that up, you would see a new line it's added for that. So that's a very useful one to note. So that's basically it. Now another mode which you can add is, once you have a mode here, you can add W to it, which or B, not W, B, which opens it as a binary mode. Okay, So we have this binary mode is basically for reading documents like should I say pictures and all those abnormal ones that are not basically text. So you can have WB, which is binary write mode, AB, which is binary append mode. You have I think RB, which is binary read mode, which is for reading abnormal files such as images and stuff like that. So that's basically the different kind of modes which you can open a file. Now when you're working with files, you basically don't want it to take up your resources. So what I would advise you to do is to have a try here. Okay, so in the try, you can go ahead and open a file. Say my file is equal to open, put the file name, and then you put the mode, be it binary write or whatever, and then here you perform all your operations, be it you want to read from the file, whatever. After you perform the operations, you do just in case there's an error there, you can just put it finally. So whether this runs or it doesn't run, finally you can just do my file dot close to avoid your resources getting eaten up by the computer. So this is basically it, the basic stuff you need to know about working with files in Python. Now if you have any question, you can ask it in the comment section below. And if you like this video, you could basically support this video by liking and subscribing to this channel, and you can share this video to whoever you think this video might be useful to. And I'll be seeing you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.